When a research-based discussion is taking place in person, teachers might find that one of the advantages is that they have more control over who participates and the direction and purpose of the discussion. These might be key considerations for teachers wishing to utilize research as a means of enhancing classroom practices. The Paris Agreement represented an important moment in the climate change process because it was the first time there was a legal agreement bringing countries together to act. Since then, 190 countries have joined the Paris Agreement. The goal is to keep global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius, ideally 1.5 degrees Celsius. Whatever its nature, noise can affect teachers' ability to make sense of the research they consume, and hence they need to become aware of what might undermine their ability to effectively engage with research, which in certain cases might be their own preconceptions. Few people would disagree with the idea that a kind action is good for the soul. It is a win-win situation, leading to a sense of well-being both for the receiver of this kind gesture, as well as for the person who does the action. As a simple example, let's imagine you have a workmate who always does a very good job. Researchers might be primarily concerned with sharing their conceptual thinking, methodological design, and empirical results, as well as looking for feedback on their research. They might want to be mainly evaluated on their output as researchers and on their ability to theories and conduct research, rather than on their work's practical relevance for language teaching and learning. As far as politics go, the responses are just as varied. Mitigation is common and calls for a reduction of emissions and less reliance on fossil fuels. Coal-burning power plants are now replaced with hydraulic power plants, and electric cars are replacing some gasoline-efficient cars. Many people, however, feel that this is not enough. The British Council has published various books and papers that teachers can download for free. Some of these publications consist of empirical studies while others are guides to specific research approaches or initiatives. In many cases these publications are accompanied by video recordings of talks that the researchers have delivered at in-person or online conferences. How about taking a moment to mention this to them, just in conversation or perhaps by email? The effects of this will probably be quite clear. Your workmate will be happy to receive some praise, and, in addition, you will probably feel good about yourself for having spread a little joy.
like, share and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos and also press the bell icon for notifications.